What's up, everybody? It's the 1B, and we're going to be doing some Adobe Photoshop stuff today. And this one is kind of confusing. Not in confusing as in what we're going to be doing, but confusing because of the naming scheming that I use for this. But anyway, this is my video editing thumbnail template. So basically, anytime that I make a video about video editing, this is the template that I'm currently using. I do have an idea for some different variety of them, but for now, this is the one we're using. And basically, I just need to come in and I need to change the name, the text of the title of the thumbnail, the video, and this a thumbnail creation for video editing. Okay, so this video is of me video editing the thumbnail creation. So we are going to call this thumbnail creation thumbnail template creation. This gets so confusing because I'll explain it to you right this second. Let's go ahead and hit V and let's center that. And then I'm going to actually hit T again. I should have did this first. There we go. And then I'll hit V again and then we'll hit Shift. Oops, I added it to the text. V. Give it space. Okay, so the video that I'm making this thumbnail for is me video editing the Photoshop video or the video, basically video editing the creation of this template. So video editing the thumbnail template creation. Video editing thumbnail template creation. And the reason I say it's kind of weird is because that would be, it would become, right? It would be video editing, if we were to turn it into a sentence, it would be video editing the thumbnail template for video editing. That's not too bad, but the video editing in there twice makes it so confusing. Anyway, we're going to leave it at that. We're going to hit quick export. No, we are not. We have to save as. And we're going to create a new folder. Video editing thumbnail creation. Go ahead and I have to. Okay, so what is this thumbnail template? Video editing thumbnail template creation. Gotcha. It's just so crazy. Oh, whatever. File, export, quick export. Video editing template creation. Where did that go? Save. No. File. Or quick export PNG. Oh. Oh, because it saved it as a P. That's so weird. I thought I saved it as a PSD, but that's the weirdest thing. No. Okay. So I think that's it. Pretty much we're gonna save that video editing thumbnail PNG. Exist. Do you want to replace it? Cancel. All right. So, I renamed it. So that's the issue there. And what was I gonna say? Oh yeah. So that's it for this one. I'm gonna go ahead and put this up on the video. The video is already uploaded. I just need to add a screenshot or a thumbnail and a description and add the end screen and stuff, and prep it for release. So those videos I just edited tonight. Tonight is the 17th. This morning actually. I edited 5 videos. I've uploaded 5 videos and I've made 5 thumbnails. So basically, and then in the process of that, I recorded all of it. So that's 10 new videos. Upload 5, make 10. So that's kind of my process going on right now. I'm actually thinking about adding dates to these because that might make things a little bit better. So I could be, if it has a title, I could put the title. If it's a complicated title, I'll just put a date and we'll, just call it, video editing process, date, and then, like May 5th, 2020 or whatever. Yeah, so for now, that's pretty much this. I'm going to go ahead and put this up on there, and then tomorrow I'll do the final touches on the descriptions and the end screens and the titles and everything. But they're ready to go. I have a video scheduled for tomorrow, so go and subscribe and such so you can watch all that. And yeah, so while I'm doing this, hopefully you guys will go watch another one of my videos. And I will talk to everybody later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.